afternoon. I'm James Quirk, Latin America editor for Labels and Labeling. I'm here with José Alfonso Rubio, who is the owner of Materiales y Etiquetas Millennium, a label converter based in Mexico, and also president of Mexican Association ACOBAN. And that's what we'd like to talk about particularly today, just to find out a little bit about the progress of the association in the years since its foundation. How many converter members do you have, and what particular developments have you been doing with the association over the last couple of years, particularly in areas of training and supporting the local industry. So what has been the association's progress, let us say, in recent years?
Okay, well, what I have to tell you this time is that our latest development is our app. The application for iPads or electronics is our latest development. It's a free app. Anybody can go and download it and start getting information regarding the Mexico industry, Mexico suppliers, translation between words in Spanish, English. We also, the app is designed in order that you can get the name of suppliers of different products as well as the specs of different products. That's our latest development, and I know that everybody who is in the industry of printing labels or conversion should have it in their phone.
Fantastic. And what about well, that's, I suppose, an initiative.
That's the latest.
The latest initiative. I know that you've also been working quite closely with some training facility in a training school in Mexico.
Okay. Yes.
Could you tell us a little bit about that, please?
Yes. Since about 6 years ago, we had the initiative to start a new program for school, and right now we have 600 students on that program, on a 3-year program. On the last season, we had 125 people who graduate from the program, which is fantastic. Out of those 600, we have a scholarship program for 26 students. What we have done is we train these people, giving them the opportunity to be inside our companies. Some of them get hired, and some of them are going to tour to every industry of association, where they spend hours looking at the equipment, looking at people who already work there, and trying to know what we do in that type of industry.
So a series of internships, work experience programs with ACOBAN member label converters. And have there been cases where students have qualified, have graduated, and have then done some work experience with one of your members, and who have then been offered a job, who have been hired by one of your converter members?
That's right. In my personal case, we usually have around 4 or 5 students per semester.
Okay.
And right now, around 10-12% of total employees that we have are graduated from
10 to 12% have graduated from
yes,
the school.
Yes.
So that's a tangible example of how this program is doing good things.
And I think that other members, they do have as well a lot of people that were graduated from, we call CONALEP in Monterrey. They're working for ACOBAN members.
Right. And of course, ACOBAN is based in Monterrey, and am I right in saying that the majority of your converter members are based in that region as well?
At the moment, yes. We have members of some other states, not only Nuevo León, like Coahuila and some other states. But we believe that we can go to some other states just by teaching them what we're doing. You know, we are really working for the industry. We work for the industry. We work to have a better knowledge of our industry. We have developed surveys that we're going to give us a lot of information. Our database is so broad as well, and we think that we will be very well communicated with most of converters in Mexico.
Fantastic. Well, Jose Rubio Alfonso, President of ACOBAN, many thanks for joining us, and thank you for watching. Have a good rest of the show.
Well,
thank you very much.
Thanks to you, James, and thanks to everybody.